Guys, welcome to the kitchen today. Today I'm making a chicken in the juicer steamer, and Danny decides to help. So you know when your husband helps, sometimes they don't know exactly what you want done, and so he asked what I needed, and I told him I needed some potatoes, and he took the potatoes and he washed them, and I was going to throw the potatoes whole over into my chicken because this is a juicer steamer, and I wanted to put these potatoes over in there and let them steam. So he got them clean, and when I turned around, he sliced my potato. And I told him I didn't want it sliced, I wanted it whole, and he said, well, it would cook faster. And I said, well, the whole purpose was to have like a baked potato type thing together. So he said he can fix it. So we're going to let Danny fix my potato. And we're doing this because we want it to cook evenly. If I put it in the juicer steamer all to pieces, cut up, it's going to fall to pieces in a few minutes. Probably in about 15 to 30 minutes it's going to fall apart.
Push your finger right there.
Yes, sir. And so we're going to see how a potato cooked with, what is this called?
Butcher's twine.
Butcher's twine and his big fingers.
My fingers don't work well with that.
All right, now run it. Does it need to run another way, or is it going to hold?
It'll hold,
Okay.
but we're not moving it around.
This is the way you put a potato back together in order to bake it or steam it, as it's going to be called. So we're going to add this. We've got a little over an hour left in the juicer steamer, so we're going to be adding this, and I'll show you later if this potato holds together like this potato. This is what you get when your husband helps you in the kitchen. Okay guys, so we're back in the kitchen to see if Danny's hack of holding my potato together works. The steamer's been going for 2.5 hours. The potato's only been in there a little over an hour. And we're gonna check this out. First, take out a whole potato. Look at that. It looks done. Okay, this is Danny's potato hack. I'm gonna have Danny come in and cut the butcher's twine, and we're gonna see how this did, and we're gonna taste it. Do surgery on our potato. Okay. It's a good use for butcher's twine, guys. If your husband cuts your potato when you didn't want it cut. Okay, we have 4 slices here. The fork's going through each piece. So how did the juicer steamer do? The skin's coming off really good, right?
Yeah, it comes off really well. Nice. Very tender.
You get all the skin off of it?
Well, I know it's just hot because I'm sitting here watching it smoke. You probably can't see that.
You're the one that cut my potato. Hot potato, hot potato.
It's hot.
So guys, if you want your potato held together, the trick is to use butcher's twine. So how's it? Hot?
Very hot, but it's very good.
Is it tender?
Very tender. It just melts in your mouth.
Good. Let me try it. And I like butter and stuff, but it is.
It's probably more tender than one of the other ones.
It's so much better than a baked potato.
Oh, it is. Yeah, it's homegrown.
And this is with the juicer steamer, and that's the way you use baling.
That's how you use butcher's twine to get the job done.
This was awesome, guys. Next time your husband cuts your potato in slices and you didn't want it, hold it together with baling.
It's all good. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath.
This is what happens when you live on a farm. You use baling twine for everything, even putting potatoes together, according to Miss Wanda.
I'm used to baling, but okay, this is what happens when your husband comes into the kitchen and cuts your potato when you don't want it. He uses butcher's twine. Thank you guys from Crazy Days and Deep South.